Hey guys, welcome back to Arts with Malvi. I'm Malvi here, and I did not post much videos because my exams were going on. Now it's my spring vacation, so let's do it. So now we need some strawberries, wash it, blueberries, also wash it because we don't know where it has gone in this pandemic. I'm gonna wash it nicely, and now I'm gonna slice the crown or the stem of the strawberry. I'm gonna throw it in the blender, all the berries. Now we can throw strawberries in here, blueberries in here, you can throw some bananas. But this is just a strawberry and blueberry, my favorite. Add a dash of milk, and I'm gonna add some honey as a sweetener. You can go for sugar or stevia, but I think honey is the best. Now I'm gonna blend it, and ta-da, our smoothie is ready. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Click to subscribe, and here are other videos.